Hello everyone, welcome back to KPK P6 Planner and Scheduler YouTube channel. The quality of any construction project is determined by its internal logic. Without the correct connection between tasks or activity relationship, the critical path will be inaccurate and project completion date will be nothing more than a guess. Today, I will show you the 4-way how to link activities in P6, the different relationship type, and stay with me. The first one is finish to start standardly. The first and the most commonly used type in finish to start. This means activity B cannot start until activity A is completed. For example, we cannot pour link concrete until bulk excavation is completed. In P6, this is the primary logic type and is usually most common in construction workflow. Second one is start to start for fast tracking. This means activity B only needs activity A to start B before it can begin itself. For example, on construction site, as soon as a bulk excavation starts, we can immediately begin the cartaway or the soil removal work in parallel. This helps save time. We use this when we want activity to overlap. However, do not forget to add a lot if you want activity B to start a few days after activity A begins. The third one is finish to finish, concurrent completion. This means activity B cannot be finished until activity A is finished. Example, we cannot finish the backfill work until the stone masonry foundation wall is completed. The fourth type is the start to finish, the rare case. This is not very common in construction work. It means activity B cannot finish until activity A starts. Actually, we really use this for standard construction planning. Now let's open P6. In our last video, we looked at how to add activity. For today's video, we will add relationship to those activities. Now that the activity duration used here are just samples, we look at how to input original duration based on the productivity rates in another video. Using this sample, let's begin create relationship. We will look at 3 ways to add these links. Method 1, using the column bar. First, go to the menu bar and click the column. From the available option list, find and select successor and move it to the selected option list. This adds a successor column to our view of convenience. Now select an activity, let's say surveying, and double click in the successor cell. This opens the assign window. By the way, before assigning, you should have a CPM network or a flowchart ready so you can exactly what you are linking. Let's assume workflows surveying is site cleaning. You select it and assign it. You will see the relationship line between two appear in the Gantt chart view. Method 2, highlighting the linking. For the second method, let's look at the bulk excavation and pit excavation. Highlight both activities. Right click and link activities. You will see the connected immediately in the Gantt view. Let's do the same for the trench excavation and the cartaway. Highlight and link. Method 3, using the activity detail view. The third method is using the detail view at the bottom. Go to the relationship tab. For example, if you look at cartaway, it has predecessor but no successors. We can click assign successor and choose the link concrete. Before pouring concrete, something must finish, so we assign cartaway as a predecessor. Then for the link concrete, we can assign install formwork as a successor. The third option is the most frequent used method because it's easy and allow you to see both sides logical simultaneously. Predecessor on the left and successor on the right. If you want to add multiple successor at once, you can do that too. For stone masonry, let's assume both backfill and hardcore follow it. Select backfill, hold the control key, select the hardcore and click assign. This is how we link activities to build a solid project schedule. We have seen 3 ways to link activity relationship. However, we must always follow the golden rule of P6. This means that within our overall work plan, every single activity, with exception of the project start and finish milestone, must have at least one predecessor and one successor. If not, we are creating a dangling activities. or open-ended, which will break our critical path. So always remember to check your logic. If this video was helpful to you, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribe for more P6 tutorial. Do not forget to share this with others who might find it useful. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I'll show you how to use the schedule F9 button to calculate the critical path and verify that your project is on the right track. See you in the next video.